Hey, third grade, today we're going to be practicing and reviewing perimeter while you guys are working on your interior design project where you're putting together a house and the rooms inside of the house, okay? So let me go ahead and get started. So I want to find the perimeter of this shape. So I'm going to highlight the edges that I know the side lengths to. All right, so I know my side lengths are 6, 10, and 8. Who remembers how we find perimeter? Good, we just add up all of our sides. So I'm just going to add up all of those numbers. Okay, I'm going to do my base 10 blocks. I'm going to do my 10s and my 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm going to start by adding in my which place value. I'm going to start by adding in my 1s place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to create a new 10, and I am left with 4 1s. And I have 1, 2, 2 10s, which is 20. So the perimeter of this is 24 inches. All right, let's find the perimeter of this next shape. Right, I'm going to highlight the side lengths that I know. I know 2 side lengths. What shape is this, though? Good. This is a square. And what do we know about squares? All of the side lengths are the same, so that means that this is 12, this is 12, and this is 12. Good job. So I'm going to add 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. Okay, I know that 12 plus 12 is 24. So I'm going to add 24 plus 24. All I did was add these 2 12s, and I know that's 24. And then so if this is 24, the next 2 12s are going to be 24, and then I'm going to add 24 plus 24, which is 4 plus 4 is 8. 20 plus 20 is 40. Good. So the perimeter of this square is 48 inches. All right. Let's look at this one. All right. Again, I'm going to highlight the side lengths that I know. And I highlighted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 side lengths. So that means that I need to add up 6 different sides. Well, here I'm adding 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. I'm just going to group them differently. Plus 10 plus 10. Okay? I can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Plus 10 plus 10. 20 plus 10 is 30, plus 10 more equals 40. So the perimeter of this one is 40 inches. All right. Let's look at this one. I know that my perimeter is 28 meters, but I am only given 1 side length. If I know that this is 5, what is this one going to be? 5. Good. So I know that the distance around my whole figure is 28 meters, but I only know 2 side lengths. The 2 side lengths that I know are 5 plus 5, which equals 10 meters. Okay. I want to know I need to find what these 2 side lengths are. How am I going to do that? Good, you're going to subtract 28 minus 10, because my total is 28. The whole thing is 28. The whole thing is 28. And I know that these 2 together are 10. So I want to figure out what the 2 missing side lengths are. 28 minus 10 is? Good job, 18. Now, does that mean that each one of these side lengths is 18? No, it does not mean that each one is 18. It means that this side length and this side length together are 18 meters. So how do I figure out what one of them is? Then we're going to divide by 2. 18 divided by 2 equals 9 meters. Awesome job. Okay, the number sentence that we used to find this. So what's the first number sentence we used? We did 5 plus 5, which equals 10. Then what did we do? 28 minus 10 equals 18. And then what did we do? 18 divided by 2 equals 9. So the answer is 9 meters because one side length is 9 meters long. All right, let's do one more. My whole perimeter is 30. Okay, so if I know that this one is 10, and I know that this is a rectangle, how many centimeters is this going to be? Awesome, this is also going to be 10 centimeters. So this process is going to be similar to what we did up here. So I know that my total is 30, and I have 10 centimeters and 10 centimeters. What am I going to do with those two? Good job, I'm going to add them up. 10 plus 10 equals 20. So I already know I have a total of 20 centimeters of my 30 centimeters for the whole perimeter. What are we going to do now? Awesome, I'm going to subtract 30 minus 20, which equals 10. Awesome job. And then, so that means that each one of these is 10, or them together are 10. Good job. Them together are 10. So 10 divided by 2, because I need to split that total between these two sides. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So then your next number sentence, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Your answer is 5 centimeters. And you can check that by going 10, 20, 25, 30. If your perimeter adds up to 30 when you're done, then you have found the correct side lengths. All right, remember you guys are going to be continuing working on your project today. It is not due today. It's going to take you a while to do, so I encourage you to work on your project for about 30, 40 minutes every single day, and then hopefully you will have the whole thing done when it is time to turn it in.